Okay, guys, let's take a look at GBPJPY for this week. Now, to those of you that are new to this channel, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. If you're also yet to subscribe to the Patreon channel, you can now get the 40% discount, as a lot of you have literally reached out that you would love to get a discount to the Patreon channel. You can now get it, and we will be having this 40% discount. Note that these discounts will only last for 2 days. So after 2 days, this offer would expire. So you have within 2 days to actually subscribe to this Patreon channel and you will get a 40% discount. Have it in mind. So there will be putting out high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. That is a trade we will be sharing here. You can sign up on it. The link to the channel will be in the comment section. Now back to my analysis on GBPJPY. At first, GBPJPY is literally on a bullish move, right? Then we kind of had like a multiple rejection at this top, which eventually then we started dropping. Now this GBPJPY has now come to this major level, which we can call as a resistance level. So with what I am seeing right now, I will be expecting a drop on GBPJPY. Though then after that drop, then we can now expect a continuous movement. By the way, we would have to break out of this level. That is what I am watching out for. I am watching out for GBPJPY to break out of this level. Then we can now continue with the trend upward. Or else GBPJPY is very much likely to drop. Reason is that we are going to be expecting major news on Monday. I think is something of manufacturing, right? I can't really recall the news that would be released, but it will be released on Monday. So if it does not come out well on that Monday, then we expect GBPJPY to drop. I mean, that itself will now serve as kind of like a double top. You know, price wants to serve like a double top. If price fails to break this ice, then this will be considered as a double top. What will happen next is a drop to this support level. So you need to watch out for it. But if eventually price can break out of this resistance, right, can break out of this level, then we can now continue with the movement upward. So we need to watch out for this level, double top one. And second, we need to watch out for the news that will be released on Monday. So be very, very careful. On Monday, we need to watch out for. But one thing I know is that by the time the week end next week, we should be closing higher. At least by next week, by the time the next week finishes, we should be able to close at this highs. That is what I am saying. But right now, price is much more likely to fall before it starts rallying up again. So we need to be very, very careful and watch out for this. If price fails to break above this level, right? Like I said, if price fails to break above it, then we are very much likely to see that drop, which will serve as a double top. We all know that a double top is a reversal movement, be it a double top, a triple top, right? Once you see something, a chart pattern like that, know that price wants to reverse. So once we can get this double top, I see GBP dropping. If not, then GBP should break out of this level and we would see it continue to ride up. So basically, we would cover more of this on the Patreon channel. If you're interested, you can now get the 40% discount. It will be in the comment section.